In today's recap, getting started over on the S&P this morning, staying below 59.45, looking for movements to 902. Came right down there, retested that big macro price before really returning back long. Started out in that macro 20 this morning, right at opening, short off of 55. It's a nice lower high. Moving all the way down to the bottom of the channel. Had enough strength, breaking out into that next macro 20. Setting up other good short opportunities. Just didn't have the strength to see all the way down. Set up a good higher low to move back, test the bottom of that macro 20. Did have nice higher low. Came up and tested 35 before, to me, turning around. Setting up for another good short opportunity. See all the way down to the bottom of the channel. Stalled out at that SR1 at 85 before reversing back all the way back to retest that top of that macro 20 and stayed in that range, but setting up other higher lows and lower highs off the SRs. Over on the NQ this morning, big macro view. 596, getting below there, looking for movements to 354. Start out in that macro 20 this morning, right at opening, little head fake to the upside, left that lower high, setting up for a good shot back down through the key, moved all the way down, setting up good lower highs at the SRs, moving all the way to the bottom of the channel. That strength put us all the way into the next macro 20. Before stalling out, and then setting up a couple of long opportunities to come back and test for that lower high and settling in that lower channel, and had a little consolidation range, but had some higher lows and lower highs at the SRs. Over on crude oil this morning, big macro view, 62.51. Staying below there, looking for movements to 55 and with strength all the way to 60.54. Started out in that macro 10 this morning. Early morning upside spike, set up for a good short opportunity, all the way to the bottom of the channel. That strength put us in the next macro 20, setting up other short opportunities all the way down. Made an attempt to get into that next macro 20. Didn't have the strength, setting up for a good higher low and then reversing back up. And then fell into a bit of a consolidation range. No fills on my trades today.